You don't have to break bank to start making beats. Well, like you can start on a very low budget and at the same time produce something reasonable. Of all the things you need to start making beats, number 4 is my favorite.
SK cooked this one.
Hello world, I'm just SK. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a music producer, recording and performing artist. Here are the things you need to start making beats now. Now. Number 1, you need a laptop. Wait, I don't mean laptop. I meant laptop. Yeah, a laptop. You know, laptop is like the simple of making beats. Central processing unit. Everything happens on the laptop. You need a laptop to start. That's the number 1 thing you need to get to start making beats. Now, you need a monitoring system. What do I mean by that? Speakers, this, don't break your bank. Get an headphone. I don't mean headphones. I meant headphone. Get yourself an headphone. What do you use that for? Monitor what you're doing. The number 3 thing you need is a DAW, digital audio workstation. FL Studio, Logic, Ableton, Studio One, Reason, Cubase. You don't need that again. GarageBand, BandLab, like that, and so on. Make research, get comfortable with one. For instance, I started with Reason. I joined the FL Studio gang. I started using FL Studio for a very long time. I was using FL Studio, and one day, no, I didn't switch. I added Logic to it. I started using others, introduced myself to Ableton and all. Yeah, I have an idea of everything, Studio One and co. But what I'm trying to say is that get comfortable, get one. You don't have to use everything. You understand? Just get one, get comfortable with it, use it properly. Before I continue, please do me a favor. 30 seconds. Click that subscribe button, the bell button, and that like. I trust you. Thanks for doing that. So let's move on. Number 4, sample packs. Buy them. You can get some for free online, You can collect from people. For instance, I have my own sample packs, some guitar sample packs, but I'm going to be giving you guys for free very soon. Not now. Be calming down. Number 5, AppSense. Oh, sorry. Yeah, AppSense. No, it's not part of it. Number 5, a MIDI controller. It's not important, but it is necessary. Okay, let me explain that. If you have a MIDI controller, it makes things easier. Yeah. It's good when you have comfort, but at the same time, you're just starting. So you don't have to, like we said, you don't have to break bank to start making beats. Yeah, seriously.
SK cooked this one.